Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9 as you know. So this map, I will be doing it. That map I have already taken it from IELTS 14. You can also open your books, or if you don't have your books then follow, just concentrate on my screen, because first I will play the video. Okay, one by one. So these are the questions. One by one I will ask you what is the answer. So you can just guess out, and then I will explain you what is the real answer and why it is the real answer, how the author, the speaker is saying where to go. So before starting the audio, I will just tell you some things about this listening tips, I mean to say. So whenever you are provided like diagram kind of thing, you can see this. This is a diagram they have given. So the name of the map is Branley Castle. Okay, so after getting, when they will be saying, audio will be, speaker will be saying that have a look at the questions from 16 to 20. So what important thing you are going to note it down. First important things here is like you have to just take care of, just look at the main landmarks, whatever the important roads they have given, like we can see this main entrance, south gate, north gate, great hall, tower walls. If you are aware already where are the things on the map, definitely you can find the answers quickly. After that you will be knowing it. River is also there, and you see this from a main entrance, there is a left side road, and going straight from main entrance there is a right side road also. Okay, and river is also, bridge is also there, and definitely you should not ignore this directional words. They have given proper direction, north, south, west, east. Okay, so central part of the map is this. Always look at the central part of the map is also there. So sometimes they will be using these directional words, means north. So always put the direction whenever you are getting north, south, east and west. Okay, now you are aware that south is here, east is here. So when they will be saying west, northwest direction, you know this is northwest direction. Okay, when they will be saying southwest direction, this is southwest direction. Okay, when they will be saying southeast direction, so this portion is southeast direction. Okay, so here you have northeast direction. Whenever they will be saying, speaker will be saying towards the northeast, so this is the portion. Okay, towards southeast, this is the portion. Towards the south, this is southwest, sorry. So this is the direction, this is center. Okay, so when they will be saying 30 seconds, they will be provided us to just look at the questions from 16 to 20. At this time you have to what you have to look for: important landmarks, including some other river, roads, some buildings, gates are there, entrance is also there. Look at this, and after that you can always look at B. Where is B? You should know it. Where is B? B is here. C is here. D, where is D? D is here. So you can just look at these things. Okay, no need to read these questions, because definitely when speaker will be saying, we'll play the audio, he will name all these things. He can't ignore. When he will be using these words, it means he is going to talk about this location in the map. When he will be talking about this, then definitely he is going to talk about this side by side. Okay, next important thing, when he will be saying, audio will be playing, when the speaker is saying from main entrance you go left, your pencil should move like that. Your pencil should move. If he is saying towards right and just towards the first left, then your pencil should be like that. Wherever he is just moving, he is just saying your pencil should move. Just imagine that you are walking along with the speaker's instruction. Okay, that is the major important thing. Let's start with audio. Okay, so these are the questions. I will start it.
So questions 16 to 20. Now, if you can take a look at your plans, you'll see Branley Castle has 4 towers joined together by a high wall with the river on 2 sides. Don't miss seeing the Great Hall. That's near the river in the main tower, the biggest one, which was extended and redesigned in the 18th century. If you want to get a good view of the whole castle, you can walk around the walls. The starting point's quite near the main entrance. Walk straight down the path until you get to the south gate, and it's just there. Don't go on to the north gate. There's no way up from there. There'll shortly be a show in which you can see archers displaying their skill with a bow and arrow. The quickest way to get there is to take the first left after the main entrance and follow the path past the bridge. Then you'll see it in front of you at the end. If you like animals, there's also a display of hunting birds, falcons and eagles and so on. If you go from the main entrance in the direction of the south gate, but turn right before you get there instead of going through it, you'll see it on your right, past the first tower. At 3 p.m, there's a short performance of traditional dancing on the outdoor stage. That's right at the other side of the castle from the entrance and over the bridge. It's about 10 minutes walk or so. And finally, the shop. It's actually inside one of the towers, but the way in is from the outside. Just take the first left after the main entrance, go down the path and take the first right. It's got some lovely gifts and souvenirs. Right, so we're just arrived.
So you must have got 8 H, D, E, F, but you must have confused in A1. So I will tell you again. So when he was saying take entrance, start entrance towards the south gate and take first right turn and go towards and cross the river and walk down. So that is across the river means you have to cross that river by bridge. That is the, and after that you will have to walk. So that is the A answer. Okay. So in this way you just play this video again and you will understand more. If you don't understand, then next video, please in this video only comment me you do not understand or you wanted more clarification, then I will explain it more. Okay. So next map. Now coming to the next book, that is book number 12 and test number 8. Okay, you can see this test number 8, and here also we have some diagram, map activity. Label the map below. Of course, when they will give and speaker will say you have some time to look at the questions from 15 to 20. So at this time don't read the questions, you have to read all the landmarks that they have given, like they have given Hill Road, Bank, Station Square, Crawley Road, City Road, Public Garden. Okay, and you can see the location. Crawley Road is here. From here there is a junction. Junction means where the 2 or 3 roads are meeting. You can see this. Again, this is also a junction, and you can see garden. The road ends here. Okay, this is the end where no road nowhere goes. And directional words they have given: north, west, east and south. This is the center. Okay, so hopefully you have read all the things on the question on this map. Okay, so this is zigzag of the road. This is a road. This is road also, but I don't know what they will say. They have not given any name. So here 3 roads are there. Okay, let's start the listening. I will be doing it side by side. My pencil will move like that wherever speaker will say. This is the main secret when speaker is saying the direction, start from here or go to the Crawley Road and take left turn or right turn. So always think that you are, pencil is you. So he is saying just go straight the Crawley Road and take first left turn. So your left is this. This is you. And your left is this. You have to go, and when he will be saying towards the right side, this is the right side. Okay, and when he will be saying that from this junction Hill Road, move towards Hill Road, this is your Hill Road. From here if he is saying right, then move towards right. If he is saying left, then this is the left. Okay, now I will play the video, audio.
Questions 15 to 20. The sheep market is one of the main centres for art and history in the whole of the country. If you look at our map, you'll see some of the main attractions there. Most visitors start from Crawley Road at the bottom of the map. The Reynolds House is one of the oldest houses in the city and is open to the public. It's on the north side of Crawley Road, next to the footpath that leads to the public gardens. The area is particularly interesting for its unusual sculptures. The thumb is just what its name suggests, but it's about 10 metres high. You'll see it on Hill Road, across the road from the bank. The museum's got a particularly fine collection of New Zealand landscapes. It's on the east side of the sheep market on City Road. It's on the other side of the road from the public gardens, immediately facing the junction with Hill Road. The Contemporary Art Gallery is on a little road that leads off Station Square, not far from the public gardens. The road ends at the gallery. It doesn't go anywhere else. That's open every day except Mondays. The Warner Gallery specialises in 19th century art. It's on City Road, near the junction with Crawley Road, on the same side of the road as the public gardens. It's open on weekdays from 9 to 5 and entry is free. Finally, if you're interested in purchasing high-quality artwork, the place to go is Nucleus. You need to go from Crawley Road up through Station Square and east along Hill Road until you get to a small winding road turning off. Go up there and it's on your right. If you get to City Road, you've gone too far. That is the end.
So I have missed this because some confusion was there. What he was saying about, I will play it again. Okay, then my direction will go. So I was just confused because of footpath. Because when they say about Reynolds House towards the footpath to the footpath towards public gardens, then I understood that this is the footpath. And towards right side, he said. All the answers are correct, but I have missed this. I will play it again, and also you also just guess it out. What is the answer for that? Okay. I am playing it again for this 15 and 16 question number. Okay.
The sheep market is one of the main centres for art and history in the whole of the country. If you look at our map, you'll see some of the main attractions there. Most visitors start from Crawley Road at the bottom of the map. The Reynolds House is one of the oldest houses in the city and is open to the public. It's on the north side of Crawley Road, next to the footpath that leads to the public gardens. The area is particularly interesting for its unusual sculptures. The thumb is just what its name suggests, but it's about 10 metres high. You'll see it on Hill Road, across the road from the bank. The museum's got a particularly fine collection of New Zealand landscapes. It's on the east side of the sheep market on City.
So all of a sudden he said Hill Road and bank. So it means what? So we can go for C on bank also. I will play it again. Just a minute. It was, he said, towards the on the Hill Road and towards the bank. It can be seen from 10-meter high. Bank on the bank across the road. That's why C answer is there. Okay, that is the answer, and H is also clear to you, hopefully. Now coming to the next question. So whenever you are doing listening, don't lose your focus. If you lose your focus, definitely 1 or 2 questions will be gone. Okay, coming to the third map. Okay, so you just look at this. This is from book 16. And of course, I am Monica from IELTS 9. Please subscribe my channel. I request you. Okay, thank you, and like also, please. So here is a factory, and definitely though they have not given any directional words, you can see line of trees here. Here also we can see the access road name. Access road is also there. This room is also having access to this road. Reception is there. Main road is also there. Open courtyard, and they have given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. from reception. Before starting the audio, you can just go through the map through mind, through pencil. Reception is entering from reception office is from main road, and from reception you can see the path is going, you can say, or corridor you can say, because this is not road. Roads are here only. This is the inside of the factory area. From reception left and then right, and here also it is going, and here also this is room, this is room. These are the rooms you can say. Now I will play the audio.
Questions 15 to 20.
Okay, now I'll briefly help you to orientate yourselves around the site. As you can see, we're in the reception area, which we try to make attractive and welcoming to visitors. There's a corridor running left from here, and if you go along that, the door facing you at the end is the entrance to the coffee room. This looks out onto the main road on one side and some trees on the other, and that'll be where you meet each morning. The factory is the very big room on the far side of the site. Next to it is the warehouse, which can be accessed by lorries going up the road to the turning area at the end. You can get to the warehouse by crossing to the far side of the courtyard, and then the door is on your right. Somewhere you'll be keen to find is the staff canteen. This is right next to reception. I can confidently say that the food's very good, but the view isn't. The windows on one side look onto a corridor and courtyard, which aren't very attractive at all, and on the other onto the access road, which isn't much better. You'll be using the meeting room quite often, and you'll find it by walking along the corridor to the left of the courtyard and continuing along it to the end. The meeting room is the last one on the right, and I'm afraid there's no natural daylight in the room. Then you'll need to know where some of the offices are. The Human Resources Department is at the front of this building. So you head to the left along the corridor from reception, and it's the second room you come to. It looks out onto the main road. And finally, the boardroom, where you'll be meeting sometimes. That has quite a pleasant view, as it looks out onto the trees. Go along the corridor past the courtyard, right to the end. The boardroom is on the left, next to the factory. Okay, now, are there any questions before we move?
So yes, we have got every question. In fact, I was just confused in this warehouse when she was saying from next to the it means nothing in these three rooms, A, B and C. Only from factory here is only one entry. From here, and in this room there is one entry, and he said to access to the access road also. It means that was the answer. Okay, rest of all you must have understood what they were trying to say. Always, like in one question again, yes, I was confused what is the adjoining to reception. So this is also there, this is also there, but when she gave the location of this room, so I right on the left side on the courtyard view was also is also there, and access to access road is also here. For this also better view for access road, she said. So it means that is the that was the answer. Okay, hopefully it is clear to you, and if you are not, then please comment me, then I will just try to explain it in different way also. So hopefully you must have understood the concept of listening maps.